Today we are here at the Archive Beer Boutique in Brisbane's West End. We have recently installed a 100 kilowatt system, choosing premium products. The reason this system has been installed here is to help spearhead sustainability in this business's practices and also save them some money. So the reason we've gone with a 100 kilowatt system on this site is there is a large amount of energy usage here. We have fridges, we have air cons, we have a dining room, we've got a kitchen, and with all of those things comes a large energy usage. The system that we've installed here comprises of Trina 430 watt Vertex S Plus dual glass panels and a SunGrow 110 kilowatt inverter. We've also used Clenergy ComT 2 tilt system in an east-west configuration. Due to the small size of this roof, the east-west configuration gives us the best ability to get the density of panels required for our 100 kilowatt system here. This system is estimated to produce 146 megawatt hours per annum, a reduction of their energy bills of 20% with a self-consumption of 98% from the solar, payback period of 4 years and an overall reduction of 31% of emissions for this site. Hope you enjoyed this video today. Stay tuned for more like it.